Good news is ChatGPT 5 has been launched and it's more powerful than ChatGPT 4. And in this tutorial, we'll be discussing few of the key features of GPT-5. Let's dive in. To access GPT-5, go to your browser and type chatgpt.com, press enter. It will take me straight into the GPT-5 because I'm already logged in. At the bottom, you can see I'm already logged in into free version. And if you are also on free plan, you don't need to do anything. You'll be switch to the GPT-5. So this is the layout, and this GPT-5 is supposed to be more efficient, more powerful in terms of logical functions. And you are free to use unless you hit the daily limit, and then it will switch you to the another mode. So how long it takes to the request, it depends on the request. So for example, if I type the capital city of America and press enter. So it will just take a few seconds, not even few seconds, it will quickly tell me the results. However, if I search something else, for example, if I want to analyze some website, so I'll just open some random website and copy its link and go back to the GPT-5 and say, analyze below website and provide me key information. So, and I will just paste the website link as well and press enter. Now it will start analyzing the website. It will thoroughly analyze the website and then provide me the overview. So it just took a couple of seconds and it just provided me the answer. So if I just type more detailed review of the website, then it will take a bit longer and then process the request. So this depends on your requests as well. So let's head over to some setting, bottom left hand side, click on this one, go to the second, go to the settings, and in journal you can change the theme, you can change its color as well, there are different color available, and language, auto detect, or you want to define some language, you can do that. Spoken language, what language, the language you speak, you can define, or it's auto detect as well. So this is the voice, you can change the voice as well. For example, this is
Hey, it's great to meet you.
So this is the voice at the moment. You can change it to the different one. For example, Amber one. If I play,
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running.
so voice has been changed. Go to the notification. So this is just a notification, responses, task, and personalization as well. So you can reference saved memories. So for example, if you ask something yesterday, so do you want GPT to keep that memory while responding to the current request or not? So you can keep it on or off. And this is for the chat history as well. And next one is connected app. This is important one. You can connect your OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive, so then you can use it to analyze the information. For example, if I press this connect button and connect it with my OneDrive, so what it means, I can use any file from the Microsoft OneDrive to analyze the information by using ChatGPT. So this is for connecting the different app. This next option is data control. So shared links, archive chats. So these are the data related controls. And then there is security. You can log out, secure sign in with ChatGPT. And then there is account information. You can upgrade the account. You can delete the account from here as well. So these were the few of the settings. If I just cancel on this side, you can see use the voice mode as well. Instead of just typing, you can ask the question and GPT will respond in form of audio. So for example, if I say, hey GPT, how are you?
Hey there, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm fine, good. Can you show me the list of 5 billionaires in the world?
As of August 2025, the top 5 billionaires in the world are Elon Musk, Larry Ellison, Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos, and Bill Gates. Pretty impressive list, right?
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. If you have any other questions or need more info, just let me know.
Okay. So I'll just cancel that. And now you can see this conversation history as well, what I asked in form of audio. So instead of typing, you just use the voice mode and it will give you the answer in form of voice as well. So this was the few of the settings of the GPT-5. So there will be a many more updates coming through. So far, these are the few of the features of GPT-5. And hit the like button if this video is helpful and subscribe for finding out more latest updates. I'll see you guys in the next video.